629. So we're going to figure out where these different doors are relative to the levels on our bitmap. So let's go in here and see what we've done. So top level constant macros, we have door bound enumeration. So these are the different index accessors for the different sides of our door, the different edges of our door, the left and right edges of our door, the top and bottom edges of our door. Then we have edge enumerations, and this is the top, right, bottom, and left edge of our level, of which doors 1, 2, and 3, and 4 will be spaced around. So these edges, edge 1, edge 2, edge 3, edge 4, right? And we have those respective doors around there. Now, don't be confused here. These numbers and these numbers are the same, but they do not represent the same thing, because this is left and right, this is top and right. This is top and bottom, and this is bottom and left. We got some monkey wrench macros here. Let's go to the next section. Okay, so these things right here, this is just a reminder. We're still in the top level constants, and these constants are just denoting index accessors for a array with 4 elements in them. Then that array is storing, you know, the left, right, top, and bottom edges, which was originally used for our camera viewport. We want to stick to this convention, so we're going to see that further down here. Top level unit test. So in here, we have the constant value unit test main. We have some monkey wrench macros, and this is the new unit test for testing our constants. So we have these constants here, which are 0, 1, 2, and 3 respectively, and these door constants are just a synonym for these constants. That's all they are. Okay, next section. So in file 196, these are the different door bounds. So we have door 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we have the left and right edges, the top and bottom edges. Next section. So here we have file 196, and we have bitmap room relatives, and this needs to be signed. We fixed that. It was a bug. And if we scroll down here, we also fixed this. It was a bug, but then we also refactored this name. So we want to know what we refactored that name to. We can jump down to here and we see what we refactored it to. Okay, so we're running out of time. So down here in init client front end, we're calling the constants test, and we're also calling the constant test in init server backend. And that is all, my friends. So let's fucking get up to the top. If you want a longer explanation, you will have to go here, because we do not have any fucking time on the fast playlist. If you just want technical demos, you can go here. I am Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch called Atomic Ivy MMO. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game. Like and subscribe.